So in this question, you're asked to prove that cos 6x is equal to 32 cos power 6x minus 48 cos power 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. So in the LHS you have 6x, in the RHS you have all x's. That means you slowly need to decompose the 6x into x's. So how do I do this? Cos 6x is nothing but cos 3 times 2x, right? Cos 3 times 2x. So this is of the form cos 3 theta. What is cos 3 theta? 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. It is 4 cos cube of 2x minus 3 cos 2x. So cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. And this is equal to 4 times, what is cos 2x whole cube? I want my final result completely in terms of cos. So cos 2x can be written as 2 cos square x minus 1 whole cube, right? Cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1, whole cube is whole cube, minus 3 times cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. That is equal to 4 times a minus b whole cube is a cube, 8 cos power 6x a cube minus 3a square b minus 3 times 2 cos square x whole square. That is 12 cos power 4x plus 3ab square, 6 cos square x minus b cube minus 6 cos square x plus 3. That is equal to 4 8s are 32 cos power 6x minus 48 cos power 4x plus 24 cos square x. 4 into minus 1 is minus 4 minus 6 cos square x plus 3. That is equal to 32 cos power 6x minus 48 cos power 4x plus 24 cos square x minus 6 cos square x is plus 18 cos square x minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1, which is exactly same as the RHS, hence proved. Thank you.